Hi class, I'm going to show you again how to draw out a wallpaper design but on smaller paper. So what I have here is I have my inspiration for my wallpaper design that I want to potentially print on fabric. And then I cut an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper in half. So it's still 8 inches, but it is 5.5 wide. And then I outlined it in red so I can see the original edges. Okay. So to start, I'm going to fold this in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half going up. And then I'm going to fold the top up to that line of symmetry and the bottom up. And then I'm going to do it again on the sides. I'm going to fold this up. And then I'm going to fold this side up as well. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to draw the main design in the center first. So if I look at this and I find like a center piece that I want to try to replicate, I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to keep the lump in the middle, angle it. I keep something kind of like that. And then I have this light that plugs into my computer. I'm going to draw this symmetrically. So I'm going to fold this in half and I'm going to trace it. Okay, so I have my center design done. Let me just trace it on this side so I can see it a little bit better. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to draw what I want on the sides. My design can connect here if I want it to. So let's say I start here and I draw it really big going over. I'll just have it going small. And then what if I had something here that kind of connected over that way? Okay. So if I open it up, that's what my design looks like right now. And then I'm going to do the same again, but I'm going to fold the top down and the bottom down, and I can add whatever else I would want. So let's say I want like some kind of shape there. Something there. And then kind of try to add something symmetrical here. Okay, so if I open it up, I have my design. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab some scissors and I'm going to cut the bottom off and tape it to the top, and then I'm going to cut a side off. When you cut, start in a corner and end in a corner. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to tape it up at the top so that everything lines up. And then I'm going to tape this or cut this side off here. And I'm going to end it cutting in the corner. And then I'm going to go over here and tape it so it lines up. So this is what I would put on my silk screen, and my original box would be what I register right here. So I'd register my threads that are 5.5 by 8. So I'd have a 5.5 by 8 grid, and then I would print in every single box, and my design would wind up being a repeated pattern.